Alright, I'm trying a paintbrush tip.
This one's working, I think. Oh, a little bit.
Yeah, that one works. I'm trying to be quiet because I got roommates. It's not going to be easy, but I'll try.
Let's see. Yeah. Just the right spot.
I caught that one using a wash rag, basically. Nice soft one.
Yeah. I can't really get multiples because I have to stifle it in the rag. Can't do that when I'm holding it in there.
I can't really control them otherwise. I just sneeze too hard.
Sorry if they aren't quick enough for you. I'm working on it though. Getting better at inducing. Went away. Let's see.
Hope some of you don't mind nose blowing. It actually doesn't do anything for me, but other than being comfortable to do. Makes it easier to get out more sneezes. I know you're cool with that. Let's see how Q-tip works. Someone else said they didn't have a good success. We'll see what happens.
Not really improvement. Let's see if I can get one out at least. Yeah. Just taking a little bit of time. I need to sneeze. Come on. Come on. It's not coming out.
Try two at once.
I think I can do it with this. Come on.
It was messy. It took so long. That was messy. Hope y'all don't mind. Yeah, as nice as that felt, it took a little too long there. I'm sure you don't want to wait that long every time. At least I hope not. Kind of boring. Let's try the old plastic trick. I need to get a few out of this one, but I'm just going to go for singles here with a little bit of stifling. Or as much smothering as I can with my napkin. Because I can't really stifle. Sorry, people. Yeah, this works. Whew, this works really well. Come on. So sneezy. This won't come out. Come on. Oh. Oh, I lost it. Yeah, that's a spot right there. Oh. Man. I really need to sneeze. It's just not doing it. I'm gonna get one now. I'm gonna get one. Hold on. Oh, come on. It just ain't working for me right now. I'm really, really tickling, but come on. Oh, I lost again. Let's see if I can take my time here. Maybe coax it out little by little. Gotta find just the right angle. Told you you'd be getting a lot of build-ups. I'm not allergic to anything though. I really wish I was. I could do this so much easier. I know what. Let's try the other one. Usually coax key sneezes out of that one pretty quick. Should be able to get a few at least. Oh yeah, that was good. I felt so good after all that. getting so messy after all that inducing, though. The longer they are, the messier they get. If I could find something I'm allergic to, I'd be really happy, though. Alright, see you guys later.